In this video we are going to break down the top 5 nail polishes, and give you our honest opinions about the best products on the market. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Get salon-quality nails in the comfort of your own home with the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit. This bougie gala collection features 6 stunning colors that will make you feel like royalty. Whether you're attending a special event or just want to add a touch of luxury to your everyday look, these gel polishes have got you covered. Each bottle contains 0.25 FLAs, 7.5 milliliters, of gel polish, providing you with plenty of product to create beautiful manicures. The Bougie Gala collection is inspired by the elegance of an autumn and winter night sky, with rich shades of glitter red, golden, blue, and green. Not only is this kit a treat for yourself, but it also makes an ideal gift for her. The Beetles Gel Polish Kit comes in a seasonal gift box, making it perfect for birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. No need to struggle with choosing colors, this set has everything you need to create stunning nail designs. What sets this gel polish kit apart is its commitment to environmental and nail health. Made from 9 toxin-free ingredients, these polishes are safe and have low odor. You can enjoy beautiful nails without worrying about harsh chemicals damaging your nails. To achieve long-lasting results, use the gel polishes with a base coat and top coat, sold separately. Cure the polish under an LED dryer lamp for 60 to 120 seconds per coat. Remember to wash immediately if there's any contact with the skin and seek medical attention if you feel unwell. Give yourself the luxury treatment with the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit and enjoy salon-worthy nails whenever you want. When it comes to nail polish, nothing beats the Beetles Gel Polish Nail Set. This set features 20 stunning colors from the Dreamy Town collection, including pastel shades, girly sparkles, and glittery hues. With a range of colors suitable for all seasons, you can keep your nails looking fabulous all year round. Not only does this set offer a variety of beautiful shades, but it also includes 3 PCS of base and top coat for a flawless manicure. The No White base and glossy matte top coats ensure long-lasting wear and a professional finish. What sets the Beetles Gel Polish Nail Set apart is its easy application and good tenacity. With proper application, this gel polish can last at least 3 weeks without chipping or fading. Whether you're going to work, a date, or a special occasion, this nail art set has got you covered. Plus, the gel polishes in this set are made with 9 toxin-free ingredients, making them safe to use with low odor. You can enjoy beautiful nails without worrying about harmful chemicals. The Beetles Gel Polish Nail Set is not only about color and quality but also convenience. Each bottle in this set is mini-sized, perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. So why settle for boring nails when you can have a manicure worthy of envy? Treat yourself or someone special with the Beetles Gel Polish Nail Set and step up your nail game today. If you're someone who values clean and natural beauty, then Sally Hansen Good, Kind, Pure Nail Polish is perfect for you. This vegan nail polish brings the goodness of nature to your fingertips. Made from natural, plant-based ingredients, it is 100% vegan and free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and phthalates. The unique brush with 100% natural bristles ensures a smooth application for a flawless finish. With its rich and earthy color that lasts up to 4 days per application, you'll be amazed by the radiance it brings to your nails. Embrace nature's beauty with Sally Hansen Good, Kind, Pure Nail Polish, the perfect choice for conscious beauty enthusiasts. Ricky from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Love polish soft, light, last on nail." Denise from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Smooth amp, pretty." Sally Hansen is always great. If you're tired of waiting around for your nail polish to dry, then look no further than the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry Nail Polish from the City Chic collection. This quick dry polish lives up to its name by drying in just 60 seconds, making it the #1 quick dry polish in the US Star. With its 3-in-1 formula that includes a built-in base and top coat, you can achieve a flawless finish with just one stroke and one coat. The contoured brush ensures a perfect application every time, leaving no room for smudges. Get salon-quality nails in an instant with Sally Hansen Insta-Dry Nail Polish. Laken from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "A little heavier than some nail polish, but dries to a nice shine." Looking for the perfect gift for a little princess in your life? Look no further than the Townley Girl Disney Princess Belle Nail Polish Kit. This kit includes 18 fun and vibrant nail polish bottles, featuring a variety of glittery and opaque colors like pink, yellow, green, and more. Your child will have endless options for creativity, mixing, and matching different shades. What sets this nail polish kit apart is its safety features. The water-based formula is non-toxic and non-irritating, making it safe for children aged 3 and up. Plus, it has a delightful bubble gum scent that adds to the fun experience. Applying the nail polish is a breeze with the quick-drying formula. Your little one can quickly get back to playing without any waiting time. The small bottle size is perfect for small hands and feet, ensuring easy application with no smudges. One of the best features of this nail polish kit is that it doesn't require nail polish remover. Simply peel off the dried polish from nails, eliminating the need for harmful chemicals found in standard removers. It's a worry-free option for both kids and parents. With 18 polishes to choose from, your child will have endless fun opportunities. This kit is perfect for birthdays, summer vacations, party favors, stocking stuffers, sleepovers, makeovers, school rewards, and more. Give the gift of creativity and style with the Townley Girl Disney Princess Belle Nail Polish Kit. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 nail polishes. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.